प्रियंका गांधी ने सरकार पर अटैक किया। पलटवार करते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि विपक्ष पर ठीकरा फोड़ना सबसे आसान है, लेकिन सच्चाई ये है कि सरकार खुद ही मुद्दे पर चर्चा नहीं कराना चाहती। प्रियंका गांधी ने क्या कहा वो आप सुने।
Citizens have their right to privacy. Even all of you must be having a right to privacy to send your own messages to family, friends, without the government looking at everything. It's not just one thing. It's not just snooping on the telephones. It's overall. They are turning this country into a dictatorship in every form. You ask me every day why Parliament is not functioning. It's not functioning because they are refusing to talk about anything. So it's very easy to blame the opposition, but the fact is they are not allowing any discussion on anything. And that is not democracy. A healthy democracy demands discussion and everybody has different views. You hear them out.
प्रियंका गांधी ने सरकार पर आरोप लगाया कि वो इस देश को डेमोक्रेसी से डिक्टेटरशिप की तरफ लेकर जा रहे हैं और हर मुद्दे का ठीकरा, हर समस्या का ठीकरा सीधा विपक्ष पर फोड़ दिया जाता है। एक बार फिर से आपको लोकसभा और राज्यसभा की संसदीय कार्रवाई में लिए चलते हैं। हंगामा लगातार जारी है।
अध्यक्ष महोदय,
No. Dr. V. Shivadasan.
Respected Chair, my topic is the attack of wild animal, but I believe the union government is trying to attack the voters and the people of the nation.
No, Sri.
Sir, this is the topic, sir.
No, Sri. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. Sri, I am going to call the next person. If you don't want to talk on the subject, I am going to call the other person. No, whether you have to stick to your subject, sir, or otherwise, I am not going to allow you to speak. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. You want to talk, you talk about the subject. Otherwise, I am going to call the next speaker.
So I am asking to you, sir.
No.
Take the initiative for the discussion on SIR.
No, not at all.
The wild animal attack is my topic. The government is trying to attack the people of the nation.
You want to speak,
in the name
about the
of SIR,
subject.
sir.
I am giving you the last chance.
Wild animal.
I am giving you the last chance. If you want to speak on this, otherwise I am going to.
I am telling wild animal attack is serious.
Shri Birendra Prasad Bais.
Sir, thank you very much. I am here today on behalf of people of Assam, on behalf of my party, Assam Gana Parishad, and my party president, Atul Bora, supporting demand by the six community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Batak, Kush, Tea community, they are demanding to grant it scheduled caste Assam. This community is indigenous tribe of Assam and they are the soil of the soil. Their demand is justified, so I am supporting their demand. I like to request to grant it for these six communities of Assam. Sir, in the year 1968, in the year 1968, when India was ruled by the British government, the British government described them in Gazette Note as a tribal community. Rights Time Commission also recommended and granted them tribal status, sir. For this community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Batak, Kush, and Sikh community, their journey is very justified